Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the press conference? Come on, you're not excited. Are you ready to the press con? Now, to formally welcome all of you here today, I'd like to call a friend. Well, I'm really impressed with her untiring enthusiasm to organize events. I'm talking about Grace Moore in the house.
Magandang umaga sa lahat. Thank you so much for coming in our press con, especially here in Hong Kong, Satwa. And of course, to Madam Angela, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, and God bless you more in your business. And guys, I know my masters, thank you, thank you, thank you. We did not expect this. Grabe talaga. Our concert last night, Dinovo po tayo sa Abu Dhabi. So for sure, dito sa Dubai, hindi tayo magpapaulit, ama?
Thank you, madam. You need to reserve your energy for tomorrow. I'm sure we have a lot of people. Who among you watched the concert of Abu Dhabi last night, even on Facebook? Raise your hands. You saw it, right? Now, with your presence here today, we are expecting to double the attendance tomorrow. Can you share it today? Can you share it today? Energy. That's what we want. Now, to also share his insights, especially the Abu Dhabi event, and he traveled all the way, imagine 9 hours, so I'd like to share the microphone with Attorney Torion today.
Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Attorney Israel Torion, but I'm not here for politics. I am here for Elias. As you can see, we had a grand concert in Abu Dhabi last night, and we're hoping and praying that all of our Filipinos would be there tomorrow in the concert here in Dubai. And as you can see, he's now the hottest singing sensation in the Philippines, and he would like to share it with our co-Filipinos here in Dubai, and we are hoping that you would be there tomorrow. Can we expect you tomorrow? Yes! So maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta kay Elias. You know, he comes from humble beginnings. He is a reflection of your history likewise. He is a reflection of all of you. And because of such, we would like to share his talent with our fellow Filipinos. And we are expecting and praying that you would support him and his journey, especially here in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Maraming salamat po sa inyo at magandang araw po sa ating lahat.
Thank you. Can we give Attorney another round of applause, please? Who among you here are Bisaya? Are you sure you're all Bisaya? Who are Bisaya? Malalaman natin yan. Say, oh ha hay! I'm impressed. Tingnan natin kung sino yung mas excited. Babae ba o lalaki? Okay, boys! Oh ha hay! Oh, girls! Can you beat that? Girls! Oh ha hay! Sanay kasi sisigaw sa bahay. Yung lalaki kasi walang boses sa bahay. So, we'd like to start. First, this event will never be a reality without a friend. Madam, ang may-ari po ng Home Gourmet and Chinese Star.
Welcome, Elias. Thank you for coming, and I hope everyone will go to the concert. Of course, we will also go. Thank you.
Well, I'm sure highly visible. Meron tayong twins dito, no? But we will introduce them properly. So, we would like to start the press conference now. So, are you ready for the press con? Oh, hi! I'd like to start with you, Marty. The news channel.
Okay, before anything else, mas grabe yung press ko na to, pero mga question natin parang limited lang, no? So I would like to welcome as well, Kenji is here, Miss Kate Rion is here, Miss Bugres is here, and of course our Elias, Ma'am Angela, Attorney Joyong, and the Cebuana Twins. So now, you know naman yung question natin, medyo ano lang po yan.
Marty, you hear that? Bawal, love life. Go ahead.
We will welcome Elias first.
Okay. Well, we'd like to palakpakan naman natin, Elias. Elias, ano masasabi mo sa mga fans mo today?
Well, once again, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Once again, this is Elias of Elias GD Brand, and thank you for everything. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat nandito ngayon. Sana bukas, kita-kita po tayo bukas sa event. Sana successful yung event namin bukas. Maraming salamat po.
Elias, the man who will capture your heart tomorrow. We have something in common, Elias. Pareho tayong manubo. So are you ready, Marty? Go ahead. First one, make it short and simple.
Alright, good morning, and my question for you, Mr. Elias, is this. How do you describe and inspire your musical style, especially for how you influence also the era this
May describe ko po yung ginagawa namin sa pagtugtog. Ang ginagawa lang po namin to, kasi po gusto namin magpasaya ng tao. And then, kasi, kaming banda na Elias GDP kasi, hindi namin gusto na tumugtog kami na hindi namin mapasaya yung tao. Yan kaya ginagawa namin lahat, kahit hindi naman kami talaga magaling, ginagawa namin lahat para mapasaya yung tao. Yun lang naman yung namin, yung hinihingi namin na mapasaya namin kayo lahat, yung humingiti kayo lahat, yung humihiyawan lahat. Yun lang yung namin, yun lang yung gusto namin. And yun lang po.
Thank you. Satisfied, Marty?
Thank you very much, and I am Marty from the Pinoy News Channel.
Okay. We have a representative from the Filipino Times. Brother, can you join me here?
Hi, my name is Gino Bo from the Philippine Times, and first of all, congratulations po sa Elias GDP Brand for the success of your Abu Dhabi live kahapon, and wishing you all the best para naman sa Dubai. So the question lang po is, gaano kahalaga sa iyo and for the whole band that you're bringing OBM here sa UAE?
Ayan, gusto lang namin spread yung message ng aming mga kanta, especially po sa aming own composition, yung po ang Elias, gusto namin spread na rin vibes din namin dito sa ibang bansa, dito sa Dubai. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, Gino, thank you. And I'd like to call one Vista. J-Dax in the house. This one was actively promoting the concert.
Idol, welcome to Dubai. Bisaya din yung pag ngayon mga kapatid.
Salamat.
Kaya patanong ko lang, yung paglapag mo dito sa Dubai, ano yung nakita mo na naging special para sa iyo?
Bisayaan rin ako Sabi ko lang Bisaya, first time na mo nakalapag dito sa Dubai, iba po na mo na-experience sa ibang bansa o country sa Dubai. Nindot na mo na-experience din na kay sakto pagka-accommodate sa mga tanan, and then mahipod ang ambience dili sa ambience sa dito na. Image siya pero bugnaw sa paminaw. Murag ka lang bugnaw ninyo, nabugnaw. Ikaw na ko rin.
Ayan, yung At gusto na ako po ipakita sa inyo ang among wala na himo gabi dito as Abu Dhabi sa kabalungan kanya na yung mga rules dito. Himo ko ni Elias uma po.
Oh, ako himo nung wala pinugngantay ni. Sila pa kayo din tanan. Okay, salamat kayo. Salamat kayo.
Thank you, J-Dax. Ladies, inside gusto magpasama? Inside gusto magpasama? Grabe kalakan. We also have non-Bisaya in the house. So we don't want the people of Luzon to be isolated. So, meron tayong representative from Trip Expert International and Managing Director. Itanong siya. Ryan, come over here for your question.
Hello po, magandang tanghali po.
Yeah.
I have a question from my name is Ryan from this question is from Trip Expert International. Maaari kong malaman kung ano nga ba yung katangian kung bakit napakaingat ng pagtanggap ng mga supporter mo sa'yo.
Yung katangian ko naman po na dala-dala ko galing Pilipinas ay wala pong iba yung kasarapan mo lang talaga. Kaya siguro, kaya nga siguro maraming alam ng mga lugay kasi binigyan din ako ng ng lola ko ng ng tawagan ng magic na tuga anting-anting nas.
Thank you. Ryan. Now, one of the most popular influencers, female, Jelay, come over here. Pag ako mag-MC, hindi sila ayaw eh.
Hello po, good afternoon. Ako po sa Elias TV naman. Paano po nagsimula ang Elias TV at ano po yung naging inspiration niyo?
Yan na, nagsimula pa ang Elias GTV naman April 6, 2024. Nagsimula pa ang Elias GTV April 6, 2024. And then, marami kong experience yung banda eh.
Ben,
And,
makita ka sa lahat.
Yung experience natin is parang family kami, banding namin. Araw-araw, kasasama kami kahit wala kami needs. Nagkikita-kita kami. Then, siguro, mas lalong iba yung samahan namin habang kumakain kasi sa mga na ano namin ng mga problema or mga obstacles sa buhay.
Thank you, Jelay. Ken,
salamat.
all the way from Abu Dhabi, absent from work but present in the press conference.
Ayun po. So, para sa aming Ilocano, idol din namin ang LDS TV. Ayun. So, first and foremost, congratulations again from the Abu Dhabi Concert. It was a great success and for all the team. And since napanood namin kami taga Abu Dhabi yung kasi hindi kami nakajoin ng press con, I would like to ask na ano yung para aabangan ng mga tao yung dito sa Dubai na different, although the best na para sa aming Abu Dhabi, ano kayong pinaka-the best naman na maabangan ng tao sa Dubai?
Ayun siguro, kasi kagabi, hindi ko nagbigay lahat yung hindi na todo yung...
Amoy na tira.
Oo, hindi na todo yung na siguro bukas, ibigay ko na yung lahat. Ay, binigay ko naman lahat yung kagabi, pero pero okay lang din naman. Kasi masaya naman yung mga tao din. At saka bukas, siguro, doon na, parang maibigay na namin lahat. Kasi parang wala nang bawal bukas eh. Kasi doon, may bawal eh. Siguro, kung ano yung gagawin namin, siguro, expecting na lang po na kung ano yung gustong gawin nyo, gawin nyo sa akin. Kasi ayun, yun lang po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Ken. You know, I made Elias, I made a video of you promoting the event last. Meron kasi request sa akin eh. Rico, pwede mo daw gagawin dito sa press con. Tapos, with that dancing down action.
Sige,
Sample.
3, go!
I like the expression. Okay.
Ano na lang po, bukas ko na lang po ipakita yung mga kasarapan ko doon.
I have to, can we request yung two twin sisters to say something? What's in store for them from your end tomorrow?
Hello po, good afternoon po everyone. By the way, my name is Sheila. I'm Sheena. And we are the Cebuana Twins. Actually po, kaka-sign po naman yung contract sa Viva noong last March. So, gagawin namin tomorrow po is kakanta sa sayaw. So, abangan niyo po kami tomorrow with na maglingaw-lingaw ta tomorrow again. Thank you.
Ang duha ka maaniya sa Dakbayan sa Sugbo. Okay. What's in store for them from your end tomorrow?
Hello sa lahat. Na-amaze kami, sobrang daming kababayan natin dito. Proud Filipino tayo. And thank you for supporting Elias GTV Band. And tomorrow, kagabi, grabe, ang successful. But anyway, Elias, binigay naman niya lahat. But meron lang yung mga tatanong na walang live video, di ba? So ngayon tomorrow, pwede na. So wala nang bawal. So tomorrow, ibibigay na ng GTV Band at si Elias yung kaigatan niya. But see you tomorrow and you have something to tell her.
Hi.
You said everything already. Hi everybody. Hello to the Philippines, mabuhay. Thank you for being here and the show last night in Abu Dhabi was a success. Though there were some restrictions, because we still have to adhere to the rules and regulation of the United Arab Emirates. And we're very proud of the audience. And Abu Dhabi, they were very well behaved. And we also expect Dubai people to be like them, but more enjoyable. And we could do live streaming tomorrow. The only reason we didn't do the live, because we didn't want the Dubai show to be anticipated or preempt. Kawawa naman yung bumili ng tickets at producers, especially si Grace. So, we're gonna have a lot of assignments. We're gonna have a lot of gimmicks, and Elias is going to strip. Hindi, biro lang. Hindi siya umbar. Bawal. No. So it's going to be a great show tomorrow. If you haven't purchased your tickets, you can actually buy in front of Baraski Dubai Marina tomorrow. If you're not aware how to go to Baraski, you could take a tram in JLT or before the Nakil. Okay? So doon kayo magkita-kita sa Baraski. Walang magkasing-lasingan at walang etchos. Okay? Just enjoy. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Final question from Roland Dubai. Bisaya, sulod. Ayan. Ang maanyag na social media influencer. Roland in Dubai, not crawling in Dubai.
So, idol, dyan kaayo, no? Si Elias. So, ako pumunta na, sikatan na mo sa buong Pilipinas, naabot pa din sa Dubai. So, ako pumunta na, saan yung feeling na sikat na sa kabisaya?
Salamat kayo. Ang feeling na sigat is wala kinag sa ako ba? Wala po nakatiyo ng muna na sigat ko. Kaya hindi ko na ako feel na sigat ko. Kaya ako ma-feel na sigat ka na makita lang sa TV. Kato mga sigat ng mga programa. Kinampo ka nila ka na kung makabungka mo sigat. Pero kung saan lang yan, nagkabipin rin kita diyan perminte. Mabili na kita perminte. Ano lang.
Thank you, Roland. You heard that from the modest performer this side of the world, Elias JTV Band. Maraming salamat for joining us for the press conference. Okay, mayroong message si Madam.
Again, thank you so much for